Hello, I'm Miss Marin and I will be your teacher today for the worksheet number 7. So today we are going to talk about the world of apps. That's a short way to say applications. So first of all, what do we understand as application? So application software is commonly defined as any program or number of programs designed for end users. But what is an end user? Is a person that a software program or hardware device is designed for. But what is the difference between application software or application program? Now we have to ask ourselves, what is application software? So it's any kind of application that is able to use or complete computer tasks, such as creating documents, databases, and publications, like doing online research or sending an email, for example. Even playing games. Another word that is application program. And that is when this application software refers to individual applications. Any end user program can be called an application. So any program that is used by public, for example, YouTube, Gmail, Microsoft Word, Windows, or what else? Instagram, Facebook. That is an application software. Is the program itself that is used by an end user. So Facebook as application software is the same for all of us, right? When we download the application software. But when ends with you or the end user, you personalized that application software and ends like an application program. When you have to download the program or the software is an application software. But if you use it, it's an application program. That is the real difference between application program and application software. Now that you know what is an application, you can make difference between a software and a program. Do we know how to use technology? We have a lot of technology in our hands, but are we educated for using that? So that is the real question. If you look at worksheet number 7, there's many exercises about how you can express yourself in English. The first one says, look at the picture and discuss with your family what the picture is about. So now that you know what is an application, what is an application for you? What do you understand for application? What can people use apps for? What's an app from a technical point of view? What's the best thing about applications? And reflect a moment. What is the negative things about an application? As grammar, we are going to learn about quantifiers. What is a quantifier? It's a word that indicates amounts of things. And that quantifiers can be separated into countable and uncountable. Uncountable are nouns that we cannot count or number. For example, coffee, sugar, tea, salt, oil, rice. It is uncountable because we cannot count every leaf of tea. So, how do we transform uncountables into countable nouns? In the case of the tea, that is an uncountable noun, we use, for example, tea bags. And we can count those bags. So now the uncountable thing became an countable thing. We can make countable the uncountable. Quantifiers help us to express quantities. In the case of a lot of, we are talking about a great amount of things. When we talk about all, we are talking about all things, not a part of things. Now answer the following questions after you read the conversation in the worksheet number 7. It says, do you know you can download a lot of apps to your tablet? I use apps to buy all the things that I need. That's great. Think about those conversations. Which quantifier refers to a large, a great, or big amount of things? Which one? Do you think it is a lot of or all? Write your answer. And which quantifier refers to the total amount of things? It counts all things together, right? Finally, you have to create in the worksheet a dialogue using these two quantifiers, a lot of and all. And you have to use it with the ideas in the box below. That's all for today. I hope that is not too much for you and it is easy to understand it. If you have any doubt, please just write me.